Hello folks, Armando Barbosa here with Vision Mortgage Company, bringing you the Vision Mortgage Minute, information about the mortgage industry in a few minutes. Today's topic is the VA IRRRL, the interest rate refinance or interest rate reduction loan program. And if you currently have a VA loan and have not refinanced yet, you might consider it, especially if you're over a 3% interest rate. So there's two types of refinances, one where you already have a VA loan, and second, another one where you're simply trying to refinance an existing loan, perhaps an owner carry transaction. A VA IRRRL, you do not have to have a minimum credit FICO score, but your mortgage history has to be current, which means you cannot be in a forbearance situation. We talked about forbearance agreements in the past. The CARES Act allowed the lender to essentially press pause on your payments. If those payments are not caught up, you cannot do your IRRRL. So, but there's also other good news, no asset verification. You don't have to verify funds on deposit. There's no reserve requirement for a VA IRRRL. If you left your VA mortgage on perhaps a rental home that you now still own and want to refinance that, hey, we have a non-owner occupied IRRRL for those types of loan transactions. Odd year terms are available. So what this means is, let's say you've been paying for 6 years. So you've got essentially 24 years left on your mortgage. We can do essentially a 24-year loan to match your existing term. Can a veteran refinance a conventional or refinance an FHA or, again, an owner carry loan? Absolutely. That is a qualifying VA loan. And to qualify, the veteran must have a tangible benefit. Those are the terms for doing the loan. And what are tangible benefits? The first one, of course, is to eliminate mortgage insurance. If you happen to have a conventional loan or an FHA loan and it has mortgage insurance, we can get rid of it by doing a VA IRRRL. Especially if you have a disability of some sort and you do not have the VA funding fee to add to your mortgage. New loan term is shorter than the existing term. Well, that's a good one. Many people are going to a 15-year rate now because rates are so much more attractive on the 15-year product. The new loan interest rate is lower. The P&I, the principal and interest, is going to be lower on your new loan. The minimum credit score for this type of transaction, when it's a non-IRRRL VA refinance, is actually 500. The housing history must show 0 times late in the last 12 months. So if there's any collections or charge-offs that are over $7,500, they're going to be required to be paid. Any tax liens must be paid in full. Or if they are in a repayment plan, you must have been in that repayment plan for at least 12 months. If there's been a financial difficulty like a prior Chapter 7, there's a 2-year waiting period or seasoning period from that Chapter 7. If it's a Chapter 13, that is a seasoning period of 12 months. The maximum loan for this particular lender in this type of loan product is $510,400. Housing ratios are going to be considered. There's all kinds of things that we need to talk about when we're talking about a VA qualification program. So give us a call. We'll talk to you about all that underwriting criteria. So on to some good news, and that is rates. We talked about it before. And the non-qualifying credit IRRRL, if you're a veteran that basically wants to refinance again their existing debt, and perhaps you had a 30-year mortgage product that you got into, and let's say it was a $100,000 loan, it was at 6.5%, you've been paying on it for 14 years, so now your balance is about $75,300. If you were to take that $75,300 and reduce it to a 15-year loan product, or in this case 16-year, your interest rate would be about 2 3/4% for that remaining period. Over the life of the loan, on that $100,000 you initially financed, you're going to save $28,000 on the remaining term. We'd be glad to help talk about your particular loan scenario and see how the savings would work for you. So give us a call at 210-348-0077. Ask for myself, Armando Barbosa, or Joey Barbosa. We're both here licensed and ready to serve you. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, and also on our YouTube channel, where all our Vision Mortgage Minutes are available. Thanks. Have a safe and happy holiday, or in this case weekend, and happy house hunting.